Hi everyone, very good afternoon to all of you. After a long time we are doing live session, so today I'm gonna show you some exciting rings and bracelet as well. So the post that I've posted on the story, that which jewelry you want to see on live. So the most recommendation we have got till now is the ring and bracelets. So we're gonna start with that first. So yeah. Hi Nisha, hi Abhinav. Hope you're doing well. Okay, so I'm gonna start with the finger rings at first and following up with the bracelets later. So let me show you the cutest ring that I've got in our collections, and anyone can wear this. And all these are like perfect for the gift purpose, or you want to buy under budget friendly. This is perfect, especially the rings. I'm gonna tell you. Okay, so let's start with the very first ring, the one that I'm wearing, this one. This is a V-shaped ring, as you can see, and this is also 14 karat gold with 58.5% purity, and इसमें भी hallmark होते हैं. We have every jewelries, we have hallmark on the side of the ring, you can see it clearly. And in case you want a certificate with each of jewelry you are purchasing, for certificate we charge 200. So this is how the ring looks. This one is a V-shaped ring, so you can see, and from the back this is how it looks. And अगर आपको adjustable कराना है, that can be done as well, but this is with the size, and any size can be customized. So price for this V-shaped ring is only 5,500. You can see it clearly, and the stones are Swarovski stones. So it's very pretty, and it's perfect for daily wear as well. अगर आपको जाना है for the minimal ring, then go for this and take a screenshot if you want to place an order for this pretty ring, which is in V-shaped. Price is only 5,500. So it's a very chic one and my favorite one till now. Okay, next I'll show you this one. Is a Swarovski ring. It's a very pretty one as well. So this is how it looks. This is in Swarovski stone, one round shaped, and yeah, this is also 14 karat gold with 58.5% purity, and so it's also the lightweight and perfect for daily wear as well. And again, I'm going to repeat the price for this. Price is only 8,000. So अगर आपको गिफ्ट करना under 10,000, you can go with this or the V shape that I've showed you the first. So this one is in round shaped, and again the stones are Swarovski stones, which gives it a dazzling effect. And yeah, you can up कहीं भी पहन सकते हो on the like ring finger or the middle finger or maybe on anywhere. So size may vary from different to different. So if you want adjustable, that can be done as well. But this is how the round shape looks like, and price is only 8,000. Okay, third one I'll show you. This is in green and polki ring, and yeah, this is specialty is that this is adjustable. So ये size का तो नहीं है, but this is adjustable and perfect for festive occasion or any special occasions. You can say this is actually adjustable. So it's very convenient to wear. अगर आपको इसको गिफ्ट करना है and you don't know the what's the size or he or she wears it, तो आप adjustable ring definitely लेते हो for the gift purpose, and this is what I'll recommend for the gift thing. And if not gift, then perfect for the festive occasion. It's actually giving you that festive vibes and all for any festivity or for any special occasion, be it like shadi, wedding occasions related, any festivity. And this is how it looks like. At this middle we have got this emerald beads, which is perfect for this whole polki ring which collabs with it. And yeah, the stones are polki stones. Again, I'll repeat, this is adjustable ring, so it's very easy to wear and कोई भी पहन सकता है, anyone can wear this. And yeah, it's perfect for any size of ring. So this is what I'm wearing, and yeah, price for this is only 12,000, which comes with 14 karat gold with 58.5% purity. In case you want certificate along with this ring, certificate we charge 200 for that certificate. All these are gold, Mithi, actually all these are gold. So yeah, along with this you are getting certificate also, but for certificate we charge 200. this is how the ring looks like. And again, this is like my perfect go to go for festive occasion, or if I'm going out with any kind of, you know, like shadi occasion, something like that, or puja mein bhi aap pehen. So this is like absolutely precious. Okay, next I'll show you a very similar Swarovski ring which I've shown in the past. That was in a little medium size. This is in big Swarovski ring. Again, this is also perfect for daily wear. And this is how the ring looks like from the side and the back. But this is not adjustable. If you want in case, then can be done. So I'll just show you. Sizes may vary from different to different. As you can see, this is big in size, and the stones are Swarovski stones. Again, this looks so minimal, so chic, you know, so elegant. This gives you that pure party glam look as well. Agar aapko kahin jana hai and you want to go with the minimal look you want to keep it with, then go with this big Swarovski ring as well. Again, this gives you that dazzling effect whenever you wear it with any outfit. Goes with any outfit. And so the price is also 8,500. So the big Swarovski ring that I'm wearing now, the price is only 8,500 with 14 karat gold. And the previous Swarovski that I've showed you, this one in medium size, this is only 8,000. And again, that is also 14 karat gold. So whichever you prefer, kindly take a screenshot if you are interested in any of the product, and if you want to place an order. All these are ready in stock. So agar aap abhi order place karoge, we're gonna dispatch by today itself. So you will get it in 2 days. So yeah. Okay, next I'll show you. This is also a very pretty one. It's a very cute, and again, this is also perfect for festival occasion as well. If you want to go with the medium size ring, this is what you're looking for. And again, this also has got this emerald beads at the middle, and it is also covered with the white polki stone as well, and with the touch of emerald green stones. If you can see here, 4 stones. This all are emerald green stone, and has 14 karat gold with 58.5% purity. Also, surprisingly, this is also adjustable, so it's very easy to wear, very convenient. If you're looking for any gift purpose under your budget, then go with this. I mean, this is perfect. ये क्या है ना, आपके हर ओकेजन पे चला जाएगा. Every occasion you want to wear it. So this is how it looks, and again, this is also perfect. And this is also 14 karat gold with 58.5% purity. Okay, so price for this is only price for this is only 10,500. And for the screenshot, if you want to take a screenshot, if you want to place an order, then here it is. Take a screenshot. This is how it looks like from the side, and this is how the front looks. And back, as I said, this is adjustable. So yeah. Okay. Next, I'll show you a very pretty one, which is now, it's a unique and it's very new, in trendy in style. The ring is just new, as you all can see. It's very pretty 14 karat gold ring with ruby pink and emerald green stone, which also has this white polki stone as well. Agar aap dekhoge the details, let me talk about the details first. Here we have got this emerald green stone. Here we have got this white polki stone, and some touch of ruby as well. Also, यहाँ पर हम लोगों को adjustable ring भी है, so it's very easy to wear. Also, at the center we have got Swarovski stone as well. If you all can see, it's in the leaf pattern. If you all can see, it's a very cute one. You know, perfect for festivities or any occasion you want to wear it. And if you want to customize, yeah, definitely, anyone, if you want to customize this ring, you may. But yeah, for the customization, let me tell you again, this takes 20 days to dispatch, because it will take time to process, to make it process and everything. So yeah. And I'll also show you from the side look as well. This is how it looks, and this is how the back looks, as this is adjustable. And the front, this is right. Yeah, this is how you should wear. This is how the front looks. Take a screenshot if you are interested in this product, in this ring. Also, this is budget friendly, guys. This is only 7,500. And if you want to know more details, kindly take a screenshot, DM us on the number that I've posted, or if not, you can just DM straight or to our Instagram ID on the account. We'll send you all the details, that is including weight, grams, making cost, and such etc etc. Okay. Also, if you have any designs for your, you have saved to your cart or something, send that particular screenshot, send that particular image to us, and we'll recreate that exact thing as it's possible. Also, price for this is only 7,500 in case you have missed it. So this is only 7,500 with 14 karat gold. Also, this is adjustable, which is best and best. Okay, next is perfect go to wear ring for me, and this is like my favorite until that Swarovski came. So this is, again, this is also beautiful with ruby stone and emerald green stone, you all can see. Again, this is very cute and minimal, also chic. आप इसे ऑफिस में भी पहन सकते हो. You can wear it for the formal outfits as well. So this one, which we have this in two designs. One, this in multicolor, that is pink and green, and second we have got this in white stone, which is white polki stone. This one right here. This is in multicolor stone, that is which is in pink and green, and this one is in white polki stone. अगर आपको colors नहीं चाहिए, you want to keep it only like very basic, then go with this one, which I am wearing on my right hand. This is called white polki stone. I'll definitely come to the bracelet after finishing the ring and later. So also the price for this both ring each is 5,500. So if you're looking for the rings, which is like you go to Goa daily wear, you may go with this to both of the rings. Anyone you can choose. So take a screenshot if you are interested to buy among these, And price is only 5,500. So you can see. Video is not clear. I'm actually trying my best. The video is not clear, but maybe of the light. But this is how it actually looks. This is how the ring looks, which is in white polki stone, and price is only 5,500. Also, the best part about this ring is also adjustable. So this is like voila, this is perfect thing. And this is in pink and green. So the ring section is finished, it's over. Now I'll come to the bracelet sections, which I'll start with the one that I'm wearing. Okay, so this one is the bracelet, and also the first thing, the size, the all over thing will be customized, will be adjusted according to your size. This is just as in the piece that I'm wearing. So this is how the multicolor bracelet looks like, and it's so pretty, itni sundar. It's very, the details of the color of the stones are so precious that you'll just fall in love with the the details of the beads. So this is multicolor bracelet, which is in 18 karat gold. This is in 18 karat gold, which is total more than 7 or 8 colors of beads, and all this is semi precious beads. Also, price for this 18 karat multicolor bracelet is only 25,000, because this is an 18 karat, of course. And this is also perfect for daily wear, but while sleeping you may just take out this, so that would be okay for you as well. And it's very pretty, it's very fancy kind of things looking like. And I'll show you the back as well, the hook that has been given on here. You may adjust according to the size as well. So it's perfect, and the price is only 25,000. So if you want to book this, kindly take a screenshot and DM to us on our Instagram page or the number that I've posted down as a pinned comment. Okay, next bracelet that I have, which is in green color, and the patterns are flower pattern. So this is how the green color looks like. Come on guys, this emerald green stone is so pretty that आप ये कोई भी occasion में पहन सकते हो. It's perfect for that. This is how the things look, and this is how the hook looks. Again, the size may vary from different to different sizes. This is how the emerald green stone bracelet, and this is 14 karat gold, and again this is budget friendly. So price for this one is only 8,500. I'll also show you how this thing looks like. It's a very pretty one. So you just have to adjust from the hook and you can wear it, you know. Just showing you as an example how the flower looks like. And अगर आपको customize करानी हो, definitely we do customize. And yeah, this is how the things look like. And also this is also ready in stock. अगर आप आज order place करोगे, this will dispatch by today itself. So आपको 2 दिन के अंदर ये order मिल जाएगा. Whatever I'm showing you today on the live. So price is only 8,500 for the green flower bracelet. Next I have in multicolor, which is again in flower pattern, and this is also very pretty as it has got total, you know how many colors, like 1 2 3 4 5 6, oh yeah, total 6 colors of stones. But these are not colors, I mean all these are semi-precious stones. One in red or pink and light baby pink, green. This one is in yellow, blue and pink. I mean the white polki stone. All these are so pretty. So if you're looking for multicolor bracelet and budget friendly, then you may go with this. This is how it looks like. Yeah, and price for this is only 8,500. Price is same as compared to the last one that I showed you. This is in multicolor and that was in only green stone. So also customization is available. आपको जैसे भी customize करानी हो, kindly DM us. And yeah, this is also 14 karat gold with 58.5% purity. Next we have this. It's a very charming bracelet as it has got you know, pearls on it, the drops of pearls. This one is our next fourth one bracelet that I'm wearing. This is in pink semi-precious stone with the drops of pearls on it, and this is very pretty. You're gonna fall in love with the drops as well of this pearls drop. So this pink bracelet with pearls drop, and the price is only 10,500. So this is how it looks like, pink one. It's very, the details are so cute. Again, this is also perfect for, you know, gifting purpose as well if you're looking for a bracelet budget friendly. And price is only 10,500 with 14 karat gold. The return value is 70% cashback and 80% exchange. Okay, next we have this. This is not a bracelet, this is a chain, double line necklace, which I call them. So this is how it looks like. So you can see it's pretty one. So yeah, this is double line chain necklace with the pendant piece. And so pretty. It has got like beads, white beads, and you know, sorry, these are white pearls and maroon beads, which is in red color. And I'll show you the details of the pendant as well. अगर आपको सिर्फ pendant चाहिए वो भी हो जाएगा. But अगर आपको you want a full necklace along with this double line thing, price is only 30,000. And yeah, this is also 14 karat gold. So this is how the front looks, and this is how the back looks. I'll show you the hook as well. Where it's very pretty, and if you want a customization with any of the product that I've showed on the live, can you DM us on that particular screenshot, and yeah, tell me about your customization in detail so that we can customize according to that perspective. So this is how it looks like, and yeah, that's it for today. Because हम लोगों ने लाइफ में वही दिखाया था जो हम लोग को हाई रिकमेंडेशंस मिला था. अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट वी शोड यू, एंड फॉर द नेक्स्ट लाइव विल अपडेट थ्रू आवर स्टोरीज. सो टिल देन हैव अ नाइस डे. एंड जो भी आपको प्रोडक्ट्स आपको समझ में आए नहीं भी आया, जस्ट काइंडली सेंड दैट स्क्रीनशॉट टू अस एंड विल सेंड यू ऑल द डिटेल्स फॉर दैट पर्टिकुलर प्रोडक्ट. सो या, हैव अ नाइस डे एंड थैंक यू.